Well, hello there. This is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab called Styling My Way, and I'm going to style it my way. Now, the host of this is Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor, and Design with Emma is the guest host. Y'all, I am so happy to be doing Styling My Way because the colors are orange and cream. They asked us to style anything we wanted to, styling it my way in orange and cream. And again, the host is Anna of the DIY of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Design with Emma is the guest host. Now I'm going to be doing my cream and orange. I have a credenza here in my first entrance way that I already have. You will see I already have my pillows up here, and I'm going to keep them here. And I have my orange curtains. I have my lamp right here in the middle and another pillar there. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate with orange and cream. First of all, we're going to put our flowers up. And I'm going to bring my orange flowers up because the colors are orange and cream. So I'm going to put my flower right here. Beautiful orange flower right there. Yes. And then here, I have a floral arrangement here. Aren't they beautiful? I just love these. So this is a vase that I made as well. This is a vase that I decorated right here with the orange here. And put a flower here, ribbon there, and these are my florals. Y'all, this is a Tides Pod container right here. A Tide Pods container that I painted orange. You know, it already is orange, but I put a little more orange on it to make it look beautiful. And you can put it this way or turn it around this way. And I think I'll turn it that way. And I'm going to put it to the side like this. And I'm going to take that to the side like that. There you go. Now I'm going to set my table, and it's going to be for two. First, I'm going to use my orange chargers there. I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to put one here. Let me move this over because I want everything to be centered just right. There we go. Now that looks better. And I have some orange and cream dinnerware. My orange and cream dinnerware here. I'm going to put one here and here. And I have a saucer with my orange and cream dinnerware. And I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Have another one here, and I'm going to put it here. Well, I wonder, should I put it right here on the side? That might look a little better. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there on the side. And let me move that down some so you can see it, because you're not seeing that. There you go. Push it up just a little bit so you can see. Well, I really don't like that. think I'm going to put that right back in there. Well, I don't know. When I get through, it may look like something. So I'm put that there and there. And then I'm going to place my wine goblets here. This is what I'm using right here. And I'm going to set it there. And I'm going to set that one there. Okay. Now, I'm going to bring in my cream napkins. These are my cream napkins. And I'm going to set them over here. I like putting my napkins at the head of the plate because when they get the head of the plate, they can take the napkin there, okay? So I'm going to put this here as well. There you go. Let me move this over and pull this over too. So I got everything in line the way I want it to be. Right here, right there. Make sure it's good and straight. Orange and cream. And I'm going to put a faux cake there to set it off. I'm going to use this plate to set my faux cake on. Going to move that down, that over. And this is my faux cake. Going to set it inside there. Okay. I hope you're liking what I'm doing thus far. And I must stop to tell you, please pray for someone else besides yourself. Iran and Israel are having a horrible time bombing and killing so many people. So I'm asking you to pray for both countries that they can come to an agreement to stop all this killing and going on. But you know what? We must first seek God in all this stuff because He is the one that can stop conflict. No one else can do it but God. I don't care what anybody else say. If God don't say it, it's not going to come to fruition. Okay, I'm going to put my silverware up there. Okay, this is my orange and cream, styling it my way. And I have added my stripe collection of yellow and orange because I wanted you to see this is part of my stripe collection. I made these jars over 2 years ago and I'm going to put it there. It's just a glass jar, with a top. My stripe collection. And on this side, this is just another dessert container that I use to make my stripe collection with as well. So I'm going to set it right here. And there's my napkin and my plate. And I have my utensils in my saucer. I put a greenery right here to show off the edge of my table. I hope you like what you see. And you know what? I was thinking of adding another greenery on that end. So hold on just 1 minute. I'm going to put a greenery on this end. Because I think to be symmetrical on each end. so each end will look really pretty. Okay, let me let you see what I put on that end. I have a floral on that end, the greenery, and then you go over. I have the greenery on this side as well. And here is my place setting, my orange and cream. I thank you so very much for looking at my orange and cream styling my way. I hope that you like what you see. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. And when you get through looking at me and subscribing to my channel, go on down the playlist and look and see what Emma and Anna has gotten for you today. I thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. Please don't forget to pray for somebody else besides yourself. As I stated previously, so much is going on with Iran and Israel. Please, y'all, pray and ask the Lord to come and bring some peace. Thank you so very much. This is May's Design Corner saying adieu. And y'all, prayer really, 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 really works. Prayer works, y'all. Amen. God bless you. Adieu.